Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am so thankful for having a time watching my videos, learning about project management tool. So we are now on the fourth project management tool review. Actually, this is part of the project management tool review series. Alright, so the fourth project management tool that I'm going to review is the Jira Software. Alright, so just a background about this Jira software. This Jira software is actually developed by a company originally from Australia, and at the same time, I noticed that this company is also the creator, the developer of the Trello. I'm not making any accounts for this one because I already created one for my Trello account, and so therefore, I will just give you a guide on how to do that one. Actually, all you need to do when you start creating an account here is you need to go to this website and, of course, get the software free. But by the way, this software is not necessarily to download. You can actually use this one through the browser or in your mobile phones. But this time for this tutorial or review, I'm actually using my desktop to show to you how I explore this productivity tool software. And I hope everybody is ready now because I'm going to proceed to exploring the features, the overview about this project management tool, and I hope you watch until the end. Alright, so here, since I already created an account in Jira Software, we have here a project in which we have here an option to create a project. So since we don't have any project at all, we'll start creating our project here. So this will be the starting point after the creation of our account. So all you need to do is, of course, to click create project. So here we'll be asked to type down our project name. So since the purpose of this um, preview is for my research project in the future, so I'm going to name it thesis PM Ops. Okay, so good thing is they will provide a key for this project. Every time you create a project, they will actually provide a key so that everything can be easy to locate or access. So when you create a project, of course, using Jira software is um, they are suggesting to use the kanban. Actually, the kanban is commonly known as the columnar way of display in which it has different sections, and then uh, the tile of tasks can be easily transferred to one another. So similar with other project management tool you've seen in the previous videos, actually most of them were actually Kanban. And though there are other options like list, you also have the Gantt chart and the table. So alright, here they're actually using the Kanban. So let's now proceed. Okay, so I think we have a problem with this one. Okay, so I think this is better. So this is project management. Okay, let's create the project now. Alright, so after creating our project, normally we have here the Kanban board. Okay, so we have here the quick start, but we will not explore that one. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do is, of course, select the project we actually created. So by the way, about the this particular Jira software project management tool is the task is actually, they use the term issue, in which that issue is something to work. Okay, so in order for us to create a task or add our task here, we need to create an issue. Okay, so we need to click this one, and all right, start writing the issue, and then later on we create it. So let's say, for example, in the previous videos, we actually use different major tasks, and then we go after with this specific task. So this time, okay, we only write only few of it. So we'll focus this time about the writing your proposal and then its specific subtask. So here, for example, I'm going to do the writing the proposal, and then I'm going to create. By the way, I will not add any description about this one because um, what's important for this is at least I created this issue to start creating multiple subtasks later on. Alright, so we have here in the backlog. So meaning to say, these are the things that not yet in progress or currently I'm working on. So that's how you do it. And then, by the way, if you want to add um, additional tasks or subtasks, all you need to do is, of course, you need to select the issue or the task under the backlog, and then after that one, we have here an option. We are allowed to attach file, create subtask, and link issue. So since my plan is to add specific subtasks for this major task, so I'm going to click this one, and then from here, okay, you need to start typing all of the subtasks for writing the proposal. Okay, so we'll start first with the introduction. Then second is the statement of the problem. Okay, the third one is hypothesis. Then the next is related, literature, and studies. Then the theoretical and conceptual framework. And of course, the scope and delimitation. Next to this one, the significance of the study, and the definition of terms, research methodology. Alright, so what else? The drafting of the survey instrument. Yes. And of course, it's very important to do the validation. So the validation and reliability test of the survey instrument. Okay. Alright, so after you type down everything, okay, everything, all of this can be seen here. Okay. So that means all of these are under the writing the proposal. Now, the good thing about this one is, as you notice here, we have here label, meaning to say these are the things in order that you need to perform. Okay? And on this part, this is the indicator that this is actually a subtask. The green one is actually the indicator that this is a story in which you are creating the major task for this subtask. Now, what about this arrow? This is actually the priority. Now, if you want to change the priority, let's say for example, uh, let's say this theoretical and conceptual framework is in highest priority. So all you need to do is to select the item, and then you can also change the priority from medium to highest, for example. Okay, so that's how you make changes with um, your subtask. So okay, after the changes, you notice that okay, it becomes red. Alright, so if you want to be in progress about your introduction paper or part of the writing proposal, so all you need to do is, of course, you need to simply drag this one to another section. So we have here 4 different sections. We have selected for development, in progress, and done. So let's say for example, okay, let's classify first everything here. So what are the things that is necessary in development? So let's say for example, the theoretical framework, um, the methodology, the survey, drafting of the survey instrument. So considering all of this must be in priority in the development. So you can also classify all of these subtasks on this part. And then if you are currently working on your introduction, so particularly this one progress, so all you need to do is to uh, transfer this one to in progress. So this is the good thing about it. So you will know, or everything can be displayed here in Kanban Kanban board. And once you are done for a specific subtask, all you need to do is, of course, to switch this one and transfer that one to another column. So that means you are done with this one. So as you notice, okay, uh, you see a strike through line in which this label of this particular task has been changed. Alright, so this is a good thing about this Kanban board because as you can see, we have here a presentation of everything. Now, um, if you want to assign a specific subtask to a person, let's say for example, if you're working in a group or you have somebody to help you drafting your writing the proposal, in case that's the thing, you can actually invite team members. And then for example, if you assign the statement of the problem to a person, so all you need to do is to set the assignee here. So since I'm all alone for this example, so the only option here is my name. So yeah, all you need to do is to select a name or any member, and then after that, so the assignee will be indicated here. Alright. So considering we have a lot of members in this particular project, and then you wanted to see all of the tasks assigned to you, okay, all you need to do is to select this one, only my issues. So that means all of the tasks that you need to work is actually the thing that you need to work on. So if you want to see everything, all you need to do is clear all. Okay? So this is the good thing about Kanban compared to other project management tool, in which you will be productive, of course, because we have 2 options to see the entire project, all of the things that you need to do, and if you want to check only your own, so you can actually view everything actually assigned to you. Alright, so other than this, I did not focus to explore other features of it because for me, what is important is the thing that is something applicable for me, which is um, allowing me to put everything, especially to my future project, which is this project. I did not spend time checking for other features or exploring other features of it because I am all good to this, and I really believe that it's kind of a good thing in which everything can be managed. And yes, you can actually set the automation for everything so that um, you'll be guided on the things that you need to work on for your research project, and everything is manageable. So for me, this project management tool is actually a good one. That's why I'm suggesting this particular project management tool. You can actually use this for your project. I know everything here is actually easy, so this is actually useful. Alright, thank you everyone for watching this video. I know that this is very useful for you. You can actually apply this to your project. So please take time to explore this more if you want to learn about its feature. Alright, so we have so many project management tools that we've been exploring already, and all of those were actually good. So I really think that you have a good option to determine the suitable project management tool for yourself and for your future projects. So everything depends on you. Ever project management tool that you're going to use, make sure that you really like it to use for your project, and everything is automated and easy to use, so probably in the future you'll be successful in achieving your goals for your project. So I'm going to make a review for another project management tool. Just subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more videos so that you'll be notified, and see you in my next video.